Yo. What up? What up? Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm like still waking up over here. Over here. Probably missed all the fun. Think there's any more juice in this market? What do you guys think? Let's see if this fucking Ethernet works. Let me know when I go dark. D-Walk, Stephen Lafferty, Maximus, P. Shenanigan, Trent Friend, Tony Gold, Elaine G, Savage Sand, Slick Rick the Ruler, Stephen Lafferty. You passed your, oh, nice. You passed the 300K. Fuck yeah, great job, man. And the 50K. Uh-oh. Do I have internet? Oh, okay. I got nervous. Yash, Roa, P. Shenanigan, D. Tim Morgan. I'm at the casino, man. D, I'm at the casino, bruh. Tim Morgan, Vince, QO Bill. Yeah, I wish I did the same thing with six of my six PAs. So fucking stupid. JP, FC Mike, Alexander, McLovin, Konija, Bowser, Nomad. Don't you love how I set this fucking automated thing up to say 0 day Jason? Tickle. What are we just in this range? Looks like we're just been in this range from 500, from 443, like 440s to 500. That's the range we've been in for the last how many hours since right before I went to sleep. Renee Bleh. That's what she said. Yeah, I don't know. You think it's gonna break through this? It hasn't been able to get over it in fucking how many? What is this? The 15? 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, hasn't moved in 9 fucking hours. Probably because it's Labor Day. You know what I'm saying? It's trying, though. It's trying. Let me turn my screen on. Sorry, guys. I understand. Let's proceed. All right. Anyway. QO Bill. Tim Morgan. JP. I don't know. Every time I'm on the strip, it looks like there's a lot of people there. Maybe it's not. I don't know. What up, Pawn? Michael S. Hopefully that will drive all the house prices down. That'd be great. Black Beauty Machine. Sanyel. As many as possible, Sanyel. I mean, I'm looking at the shit. Everybody probably got really excited about this 20-point pop here. Oh my God. Yeah. Talk about fucking myself. So these accounts I got up. That's the second day in a row I had that happen. The second batch of accounts in a row. I had 3 that I did like 1,100 something bucks on the first day. And then the next day I fucking blew them. And I did the same thing with these 6. I did 1,200 bucks on Friday. And then I decided to trade this fucked up price action. Let me show you what happened. It was awesome. Best fucking night ever. Let me hide all the red. So right here. So it starts here. I don't know. Lost money, blah, blah, blah. And then here, right here, I'm working it back. Here, I'm in a short here from 28 to 22. Then I get back in short from, no, I'm in a short here from 41 to 34. I want to ride this fucker all the way down. But of course, I let myself get shaken out because I'm a pussy, right? Big little bitch. 41 to 34. I get back in at 28, take it to 22. Then it just keeps dropping. And then I get a little bit more here. And instead of fucking going short, well, you know what? This right here was, all I had to do was just stay in the short this entire time and ride it down about this far. And I would have had probably my $1,200 day or even get in here. But watch this. Then I'm fucking here. I literally get fucking yo-yoed around in this chop. This right here is Friday's low. This right here. Then we fucking drop below it and I get liquidated. That kills all of the accounts. I'm ready to fucking kill somebody at this point, and I'm ready to fucking jump because all I had to do was hold this fucking shit the whole fucking time. The whole fucking time. I didn't even need to go this far down. Just ride this fucker down, right? So then right here this is the bottom. This is the previous day's low. What do? We drop below it, and then we fucking run 103 fucking points. And I was long here. You see this? I was long right here. Just riding this up would have been more than enough for me to get my day in. A great day in. Or this down. Or not fucking all this up. So that's where those disappeared. And then I proceeded to fucking pass 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 evals in a row. I forgot I had this funded account right here. I took this on the VWAP rejection. I took this for 1175 on day 1. And then you see these right here. This one's at 329. This one's at 233. And this one's at 69. All 3 of these fucking accounts were either one of them was 1 tick away from passing. Another one was 3 ticks away from passing. And another one was 4 ticks away from passing. And all 3 of them ended up hitting the take profit after I got fucked. So those should have been passed. And then this one down here, same thing. Look, this one was probably like 2 points away. This one was like halfway up. I could have easily passed all of these fucking things, but I didn't. Oh, wait, this one's good. Sorry. This one wasn't 1 tick. This one I still have. Like, I was so fucking annoyed with everything. I just fucking closed it out. So this one was like 1 tick away. 1342. Was I trading gold with that one? 1342. Couldn't just give me fucking, yeah, see? It literally went up to 35.47.70. It went up to 35.47.0 and then fucking dropped. And then sure enough, it fucking popped back up. I was ready to kill. So that was that one. This one, 1340, what is that? 1342, 1343. Yeah. This one literally, look, it literally needed fucking, it was so fucking annoying. It happened to me 4 times. 4 fucking times. So, anyway. Anywho. Let's just get back to it, right? That's not it. 1343. No, that's not it. It was 1340 was the one. This one. 67.82. I got stopped out at 67. This thing ran to fucking 500. Like, what time was that? Right here. So I get in the trade here. 67. It goes up 3 ticks away. 3 fucking ticks away. It drops, blows the account, and then what does it do? It blows right through my take profit. I was like, you gotta be fucking kidding me. And it happened to me with that. It happened to me with the gold trade. It's like, you fucking piece of shit. Fucking piece of shit. Yeah, the PAs are gone, bro, because I'm a fucking idiot. So whatever. We'll just do it again. Jay Bloomer counts. Jay Bloomer counts. Like I give a fuck. Because I know that I could just go on. All I got to do is go on a run for 5 fucking days, and I'll get $2,000 times X amount of accounts. So it's fine. That's right. I do it every single month. Will I have another 5-figure month this month? Probably. I only did three 5-figure months out of the last 4. But you blew accounts and you spent money. Yeah. No shit. Coach Fred, what up? Yeah, I did, bro. But you know what's fucking annoying about the trade day? I grabbed 3. I was like, there's fucking 40. By the way, trade day is no longer 40% off with no activation fee, but they are 30% off with no activation fee. So the deal's still pretty good. 30% off, no activation fee. I knew they were going to keep it going in some capacity. It's too good of a moneymaker for them. So it's 30% off. So instead of like the cheapest account being $59.40, it's now $69. Not that big of a deal. So last night I fucking grabbed, yesterday, I was like, I have these 3, right? These are my intraday $59.40 accounts, $59.40 accounts. Got them up. What I always go for. So then I grabbed some end of days. I'm like, you know what? The sale's ending. Let me grab a few end of days. They're only $99. End of day trailing is so much better than intraday. What did I do? I fucking blew the accounts as soon as I got them. Not like 2 minutes in, but like no matter what I did, I just kept losing. But I have them. So the subscription is active. I'll just wait for the rebill. I'll just trade them again. I can't have more than 3 funded accounts anyway. These are almost at 3,000. So shit happens. And then I'm still waiting on, I don't have anything in my Take Profit Trader account, I don't think. It's weird because I think it's because it's Labor Day or whatever. I had the 2 accounts that I passed on Friday. Only one of them is showing to be activated. I don't have any fucking activation fee credits. The other one's like in fucking like the abyss. So I'm just going to wait, obviously, for that. But yeah, that's where I'm at. Robert Gallus, what up, man? What up, Keegan? Andy, what's good? Son, yeah, hey, that's what the payouts are for. You know, in the early going, when you get the payouts, you just reinvest the payouts into more accounts. And, you know, you get better at you've had some, what up, Tyler? You've had some Michael S. What's up? You've gone on runs before. You know how it is. Sometimes Sometimes this shit just isn't fucking as easy as everybody makes it seem, as all the gurus make it seem. Tickle. I think I said what's up to everybody. I hope I did. If I missed you, let me know. I'll make sure I say hello to you right now. Right now. Right now. Lee, what's up? Snahil. I'm always in sim, bro. Always in sim. But they pay on sim. They all pay on sim. Preneur, what up? Investstars, J Min, Austin Means. I would love to. Austin, I would love to, bro. I got on the stream like right here. So yeah, I guess I could have fucking tried my luck and caught this. But we might have to sit around and wait. By the way, if you're trading with Apex, today and tomorrow are the same day. They count it together. Dildzik. Lee, I hear you. I hear you, Lee. I get it. I get it, man. The trade day accounts are doing okay. The ones I have. I'm building back better. I'm building back better, guys. So these are at 1,800. We'll just run it back. I fucked up the funded accounts on Friday after getting a day one payout. I got a day one payout. Like somebody in the Discord, like got in trouble with them for withdrawing down to the buffer. Like they were ready to fucking not let them trade anymore. So you gotta. They don't like degenerate shit. I can tell you that much. They don't like degenerate shit. And this guy is not really a degenerate. Trevor LeConte's here. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. He's here. Robin. Yeah. Why not? How hard can it be, Robin? How hard can it be? Is it going to the upper the VWAP band? It only took all fucking day. The top orb. Wow, we haven't even hit the top orb yet. The top orb from the overnight. Never, it looked like it wanted it real bad. We've just been riding along the bottom orb. We just keep bouncing off the bottom orb. Leaders. Trevor LeConte, he's right here, man. Labor your hands. Labor. It's Labor Day. Sanyel. Damn, 13K in the last 3 months. So you see, look, listen. Like, there's so many ways. There's so many people that are on there streaming, and they all have different ways of doing shit. And, you know, I have a certain way of doing it, right? And a lot of people fucking rag on me. Not anyone who hangs out with the, in the best community, but like just people, haters, trolls, losers, other traders who think they're the best thing since sliced fucking bread, right? And then you have someone like Sanyel saying, honestly, no choice but to keep going. I didn't get a payout for a year and a half, and then I started following your payout or bust. Basically, Sanyel's going from max payout or bust. Trying to push accounts fast, it seems. That's what it seems like. And they've gotten $13,000 in payouts in the last 3 months. Everybody has their own way of doing things. Some things will work differently for everybody, right? So I guess my approach is teachable. Although I don't advise it. I don't advise my approach. Haters and faders, yeah, fucking losers. They're probably creating new accounts right now just to be fucking losers. You know, the biggest thing, the only like there's only like one. I don't know if it's like not the trading per se, but I mean it's because of trading, but it's all I got to do is just not blow through so many accounts. If I could just hold on to some accounts that I get paid on longer, especially Apex accounts, my expenses will fucking stay low. But I burn accounts, not on purpose. I'm not doing it on purpose. I'm trying to grow them back up. I'm trying to take an account I fucking took a payout from, like Trade Day or Take Profit Trader, and fucking run that shit for days. It just doesn't happen sometimes. There'll be months when I'm fucking like July was good. July was really good. May was really good. August, yeah, I mean I was profitable, but it sucked. It sucked real bad. I finished strong. I got that last payout at the end of the month from Apex and Trade Day. So I literally jumped from right here. You see this? You see, guys, this came in, I jumped from like 7,800. I jumped from 7,800 and change to fucking 14,100, just like that. And that's the best part about the prop firm shit. That's how fast shit can change for you. That's how fast a bad month could go to a good month, or an okay month could go to a really good month, or a good month could go to a great month, just by fucking locking a couple of payouts in like that. This is Trade Day right here. It was 3 accounts. After fees, this is what I ended up with. I took 3 accounts over the buffer. And then this was 2 50Ks. So, you know what I'm saying? Yo, Sovereignty, what up? Newts, what up? No way. That fucking, damn, that's how? What, it rip off the cord or it literally pushed on the power button? That's fucked up, bro. Dills it. Tim Morgan's the second best trader out here. Yo, I'm the best fucking trader. Yo, so who was asking about Trevor? Leaders. Trevor LeConte is like one of the OG Bobby Johnson, Degen fam peeps, right? When I first started my channel, before I even started streaming, Trevor LeConte was always there to fucking, in the comments and shit, telling people to smash the like button and giving thumbs up and shit and just saying what up. And then I started streaming and he would do the same thing. So it just became this thing. He's legendary. I literally say it in all of my fucking videos too, like all of my updates at the end of the video. Hey, smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. Snahil. Oh yeah, I answered your question, bro. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Trevor's like one of the original subscribers. It's fucking crazy. I did pass 6 new 50K accounts, Steven, to replace the other 6 I fucking blew. Life at 12 dogs. You do the same. Enjoy the day. That's crazy. Yash. Last week. Hold on. Let me log into my account. Hold up, though. I'll tell you in a second. I'm not going to log in. I'm not going to log in on the stream. I'm going to hide it. So haters could fucking wonder if I'm making it up or not. I'm going to log in on this computer so I could buy more accounts if I feel like it. Fucking. Are we dropping here? Like, what the fuck are we doing? This shit is moving in slow motion. I can't, you know what? It's hard to trade. For me, I just don't like trading when it's moving, like barely fucking moving. It just doesn't wet my whistle. All right, let's see. I requested the payout. This is all we've done since I got on the stream. Literally nothing. I requested, Yash, I requested on August 22nd. What day was August 22nd? August 22nd was a Friday. And then I got approved on Tuesday, the 26th. I woke up and I was already approved. And then I got the money on Friday, the 29th. Pretty quick turnaround. No complaints. I know once I get approved, I'm going to get the money. You know what I mean? Ian Connor. No, why? Did you pass accounts as well? I passed two accounts on Friday. Only one is showing to be activated. The other one is nowhere to be found, and I don't have any activation fee credits. So I'm leaning towards it just being because it's Labor Day. If that's what happened to you, then I'm thinking that's what I'm thinking is why. Timothy Chapo. Yeah, bro. Exactly. Lee. What I don't think it's Apex that's delayed. What are you trading on, Lee? It's not Apex. It's whatever platform you're using. It's either Rhythmic, Wealth Charts, or fucking Tradeovate. You know what I mean? Palmy, what up? Data was delayed. Yeah, because you know what happens? They renew the subscription. Take Profit Trader says, yeah. They have to renew this, they got to renew their subscription. I don't know. It's like a thing. I didn't even try. I haven't even tried. I'm not getting any new accounts right now. I'm waiting on those pro accounts to be activatable. Only one of them is, and I don't have my credit. So I'm just waiting on that. I don't know. Grab some Apex accounts. Use the best code ZERODAYJAY while you wait. This is like every month this will happen. If it's not Take Profit Trader, it'll be My Funded Futures or one of these firms on Tradeovate. It's the Tradeovate. It's whatever goes on in the back end. Ash K, what up? Akshay, gold selling off. Yeah, maybe I should. Fucking gold, man. I was one tick away in a trade. One fucking tick away. Is gold really selling off though? It's barely gone anywhere. Akshay. Twan on. Fuck yeah, man. Twan on. I love it, man. You went static? Eagle's eyes. What's good? Yeah. Well, so you can't trade it all. Yeah, I get it. You want to get a day in. I don't even know if they count Labor Day as its own day, to be honest with you. I'm not even sure if they do. Yeah, Ian, I don't know what's going on with that. I'm sure it's fine. I'm sure everything is fine. I'm not worried about Take Profit Trader. Speaking of Take Profit Trader, still 40% off and no activation fee when you use the best code ZERODAYJ. I just wouldn't, if you want to grab some accounts just to grab them, I wouldn't trade them right now. I'm still waiting on my shit I can't even activate my fund. Well, I could activate one of two. I just think it's just a Labor Day thing. I don't know. I think it's also their way of saying we don't want anyone running up their accounts today on Labor Day. I wouldn't sweat it. Yeah, so how does this what's the buffer on static? Twanon? I gotta look. Triple M's, what up? You were able to trade last night? Yeah, it's something to do with the stupid subscription then. Kevin G. It's working for you? Newt's slightly snapped. Least estimator. Thank you, thank you. Jason Ma. What time? Market closes at 1 p.m. I don't know if it closes at 1:15 and runs a little bit longer, but no, it's 1 p.m. Eastern, so in an hour, basically. And then we'll do some poolside ask me anything. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna get off. Just ain't right. Wow. I see you. What up, Andy? This PA makes it. it's making it go away. Tim Morgan. Oh man. 2K for 50K. Oh, you did end of day. Okay. Yeah, bro. Hell yeah. Good shit, man. Just take it. I don't know if you go for day one payouts, but you don't have to. You know what I mean? Grow that shit. You have paid for the activation fee twice by accident. How do I contact Apex for a refund? They got a fucking help desk and FAQ link at the bottom of their channel. Let's see. I think they have chat now too. Yeah. You could do this. They do have chat. I just don't know if they're around. I think they do. I'm not 100% sure. I feel like I thought I saw them with chat. Jason. Here, right here, bro. Yeah, it's Labor Day. It's Labor Day. You're not going to see that money probably until later on tonight. Twanon. Stone World. Maybe they need your payout to pay the Trade Evade subscription. It's going to the lunch budget. That link right there, Jason Ma, that's the link to get support from Apex. Just make sure you use like the right email address and all that shit so it's tied to your account. You could even create a Zendesk account if you wanted to through there. Just use your same login. Actually, I don't even think you need to just use your same login and you can log into Zendesk, but you don't necessarily need to log in. Sorry for the confusion. Roared and ready. What's my win rate? My win rate's in like the 40s. I mean, if we do the math, I went 3 for 5. I went 3 for 5 on Wednesday, 6 for 9 on Thursday, 1 for 10 on fucking Friday. That was awful. 3, 6. Oh, I got to do math in my head. I'm mathing, guys. I'm mathing. Bear with me. This thing's went down another 2 points in fucking 5 minutes. 3 for 5, 6 for 9. So that's 9 for 14. Then I went 1 for 10. So 10 for 24. 10 divided by 24. No, I went 6 for 8. I didn't trade that ninth account. So I went 10 for 23. I remember it was 43%. And then today I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for one of these I didn't finish trading yet. 1, 2, 3, 6 for 10. I'm almost at 50%. Honestly, that's what like I said, August was really rough for me, but for passes, when I play passes smash, I'm also not doing it with 300K accounts. I mean, just since last Wednesday, I'm at fucking 48%. It's pretty good. If I was to just trade regular, I mean, I am trading. I'm just waiting. I'm just trying to catch enough points in one move that I pass the account in that one trade. I'm still trading. I'm not gambling, but this thing's down fucking 12 points. Fuck me, man. I bet it would. It's probably going to come here. You think it drops all the way back down to the low end of this range? I probably wouldn't have, I don't know, my pass rate probably wouldn't be as high. Whoops, I just fucking spit over my, whoa. That's all my stuff for OnlyFans. And like, I don't even know what my pass rate is for trade day and like take profit trader. It's pretty up there. My pass rate's pretty good. Oh, nice, Newts. Put in code ZERODAYJay to get that 50% off deal on Chewy. Yo, Zach. Yup, I blew them. Sure did. It wasn't today. I did it last night like a fucking loser. And all I had to do was hold my short longer and not get fucked on this pop here on the back to the upside. I thought we were back right here. This was Friday's low. I was in long here, and then the last bit of drawdown I had got taken out right around here. And then, of course, it fucking pumps 100 points. So, yep, I blew them. I got this one, though. This one I activated, and I got it up 1175. So, let's see if I can hold this one beyond the fucking first day. X Show, what up? It happens. Spit again. I'm almost finished. Yeah, Twan on, yeah. Yep. I heard about that. Because you know what happens? When you submit it, when you submit a help desk, when you hit up Take Profit Trader support, their live support, their chat, as soon as you drop your email address in there, it opens a ticket in their Zendesk system. So like if you keep reaching out to them and you keep fucking putting your same email address in, it literally, that's sneaky though. I like that. It literally opens another ticket. Yeah, last night was fucked up, man. Last night was really fucked up. And I didn't even want to trade it. And I was like, I shouldn't even touch these. And of course, what did I do? I fucking touched them. Right now? Yeah, maybe. The market, I don't know. It's just not even moving. I hate trading this shit. I want to fucking trade. I just don't. I hate trading this shit. Like for me to like this account right here that's at $200 because I just got tired of fucking trading last night or this morning. For me to fucking take this and pass it, I would have had to have literally top ticked the NQ and rolled this all the way down. And maybe I would have gotten it. How many points was that? 12? I don't even think I would have gotten it. Nick, what up? So we just sit here and wait. Maybe, we got 1 hour. This is the last hour. What motherfuckers are going to dump it? Nobody's fucking around. That's the problem. That's why the shit ain't moving. What do we got going on the calendar tomorrow? I know this week we got non-farm payroll. Tomorrow. PMI. European CPI. US PMI, Jolt's job openings, that's crazy. So they're doing, I guess because we lost a day because of Labor Day, they're doing ADP non-farm employment, non-farm payroll on Thursday instead of Wednesday. They usually do it every Wednesday, like every month, the new month on the first Wednesday. But I guess because of Labor Day, they're not. And then you got the big one on fucking Friday, non-farm payroll, unemployment rate. This might move the needle here, the Great Britain retail sales or whatever. You got unemployment claims on Thursday and the services PMI. There'll be some shit going on. This is fucking jerk. This is the European version of jerk off Jerome. Cooking trade, what's up? Is gold still selling? Oh, fuck, man. Oh, yeah, now it is. It's still like, I don't know. I need like to play pass a smash and get it. You need 30 ticks on gold, 31 ticks. You need 31 ticks on gold. And might have got it on that move. I got fucked with gold twice. I just don't want to fuck with it right now. It might be better. It looks like it's moving better, but like, look, let's say I went in short here. Gold's been doing this all night. All last night, it was doing this, just fucking seesawing up and down. Yeah, in a direction, right? After it popped, gold popped. Dude, gold, look what gold did. Gold was dropping, and then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, it fucking popped from 35.06 to fucking 35.57, which was 513 ticks. 513 ticks. Imagine that. Just riding that shit all the way up with one mini. Roberto, what's up? Fortune Chum, what's good? How many PAs did I blow up today? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last night, getting fucked around and being a pussy, not holding positions long enough. Yep. There it is. Don't worry. I replaced it with another 6. I got this one. Listen, bro. 11 flips. You know the deal, bro. If you've been trading with prop firms long enough, you just keep doing it. You just keep going. At some point, I will run these accounts up to a payout. And it'll be more than one account. It'll be fucking 3, 4, 8, 2, whatever. And then next thing you know, it doesn't matter what happens today. None of this shit matters anymore. I thought I was fucking done trading like I was trading in August, but apparently I wasn't. Rand Gap, what up? Pine Tree. Damn. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what gold wants to do here. This looks like it could be support right here. Like this shit. Is it coming down to the VWAP? Is it coming down to the VWAP? What do we think? That shit just ain't moving. Slow motion bullshit. It's slow motion. 97, 89. See, that was enough. Like, that would have been enough. 11. Yeah, it would have been enough. Fuck, man. I just don't like. When the shit's moving this slow, I just don't fucking. It just doesn't fucking do it for me. Nice, Akshay. Hey, if any of you guys are new to the channel, I stream every single day for Power Hour 2 and through close. If you want to hang out with the best community on these prop firm streets. Also, we have a Discord with over 1,400 members. It literally is the best fucking community on these prop firm streets. Here's the link. You could join it. CP, yo. Here's the link if you guys want to join and hang out with the DGen fam, the DCA gang. It really is an awesome fucking place to hang out. Unless you're a fucking jerk off. If you're a jerk off, don't even bother joining. No douchebags allowed. Oh my God. I can't. I'm fucking annoyed because I could have at least. Like, how? I don't like this trading this shit. I just don't like trading this shit. Kenny. And say hi to Miss Goody. Yeah. Oh, Eagle's eyes. It's all right. I'll let it slide. I'll let it slide for you. I mean, you could be a jerk off in life, but as long as you're cool in the Discord, everything will be copacetic. Damn, bro. Let me hide all my fucking red. There we go. Look at that. I'm the best fucking trader on YouTube. The best fucking trader. 89. Interesting. Whatever. I'll fucking. What? If it comes down here, I'll get filled long. Caleb, what up? Stop second guessing. I'm not second guessing. I'm just chilling. Stop telling me what to do. Stop telling me what to do. M. Schultz. Gani Patel. I make enough to pay for some accounts. Triple M's. $1 billion. $1 billion. I make $1 billion. A Billy, a Billy, a Billy, a Billy, a Billy. What up, V33? Oh, thank you, bro. Thank you. I appreciate it, man. The birth of a degen. Miss Goody. Bobby D. Yeah, me and Warren, I already had a fucking strategy call with Warren. I told him, wait for my signal. Can is this really not going to fill me on the rest of my fucking order? You fuck. Kasalisk. What in payouts? Last month I got 22.27 and 12.14. 3,441 last month from trade day. I can't believe and that's why I got annoyed last night. Last night with this account, I had the order in for 10. I only got filled in 2. And I'm like, what the fuck? It closes at 10, Ms. Goody. 10 a.m. Well, 1 p.m. Eastern. Closes in 47 minutes. Yeah, I mean, not a terrible idea, Twanon. Of course, I only get filled with. The order was for 10, and look, it's fucking bouncing. Of course. So annoying. How many am I in? I got filled with 3. Oh my god, are you fucking kidding me? How many points is that? Oh, it's only like 5 points. It's not even that much. It just looks like a lot because I fucking zoomed in. Clinvale, what up? No, unless they extended. But once that sale ends, that activation fee, you got $85 lifetime activation fee on 25, 50, 100s, and 150K accounts, and $37 on 250s and 300s. Pretty fucking crazy. Pretty crazy, if you ask me. Where is it? Right here. Lifetime activation fee, $85 for these accounts, these size accounts, and then 37. I've never seen that before for these 2 size accounts. They kind of want everybody to get the bigger accounts. I wonder why. Use the best code ZERODAYJAY. No, Clinvale. And there was some confusion about that because I always knew that when the fucking sale would end, so did whatever activation fee promotion that was tied to it. I knew that because that's how it's always been. So then I reach out. So then someone posts in the Discord, someone else who has access to a rep, and they said, no, it'll keep going for the life of that account. So I got confused. So I went and I wanted to confirm that with the contact that I have. And he said the same thing. It might have been the same guy. And then he came back a little while later and said, no, it's not. It doesn't. I'm sorry for the confusion. Please let everybody know that it does not. The lifetime activation fee goes away when the sale ends, which is at 11:59 p.m. Eastern on September 2nd. Michael Giannos, what up? Oh, Dane. No, it's not. It's not. That's not true, O'Dane. It's always been like that, though. It's always been like that. What up, Stop Hit? right, now I'm in all of them. Probably going to get fucked. Oh, well. Full Tilt, what up? It is lifetime. It is lifetime. You only have to pay one time. But the deal's only good until the deal's good. You know what I mean? What do I need? I need 13. I need... It ain't happening. I guess it wants to keep selling off. If when you buy it, Twanan, if you're not going to pass it by the end of tomorrow, at least you get 90% off. I'm always DTF with 90% off. But the lifetime activation fee is a lifetime activation fee. You pay one time, no matter whatever the price is. Whatever that price is for the activation fee. If you choose the lifetime activation fee option, however much it is, you only pay one time versus the monthly. What's up, Spider Lily? Yeah. Yup. I will be full tilt. I will be participating. I will be in full participation. The way I always play it is oh fuck. The way I always play it is I did this backwards. Fuck. Did I? I did. I played whatever's cheaper. That's how I go about it. If the monthly's cheaper, I go with the monthly. Knowing that there's probably a very good chance I'm not going to have the account in a month. And if I have an Apex funded account, me personally, if I have an Apex funded account 30 days later, I probably got at least 2 payouts. Even if I just got one, it's paid for. So who cares? I don't know why people get so hung up on that shit. But I get it. But until the end of tomorrow, anything you activate will be anywhere from $37 to $85, depending on what accounts you trade. And if you don't like it, don't get an account with them. That's all. It's that simple. Go get a fast track account. 6 weeks, that's pretty good. 6 weeks is good. At some point, I will run some of these accounts up beyond like the 6 payouts or the 5 payouts or whatever it is. You'll be seeing me on the news. I'll be getting one of those fat payouts. At some point, it will happen. I just don't know. Maybe I should declare it like when it'll happen. M. Schultz. I don't know, bro. They're gonna, the offense will be good, but they got rid of that fucking guy, man. Parsons or whatever his name was. Micah Parsons. Fucking dummies. Damn, he's a fucking dog. I'm looking at his stats right now. 13 sacks, 13 and a half sacks, 14 sacks, and 12 sacks. And he's a linebacker. A 26-year-old linebacker. Green Bay just got so fucking much better. That's crazy. It's not blurry. Clean your screen. I'm in fucking HD. You guys see the screen okay? Let me ask everybody else. I just want to make sure you guys can see the screen. Was it because my candles are too? Well, you guys might not like how I like to see the candles, but it's the NQ. In case you're wondering, it's the NQ, NASDAQ futures. What do I need? How many points do I need? 85. I only had like 200. 229. So I need 14 points. We'll see. FC Mike. The fuck? Yash. Who was the owner when the Cowboys won it when Emmitt Smith was there? Cowboys owner, 90s championships. Jerry Jones was the owner when they won it 3 years in a row. Well, not 3 years in a row, but 92, 93, 95. They won it three fucking times with Jones as the owner. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's not easy to win Super Bowls. They had teams that could have done it. They just couldn't get the job done. Those teams with Tony Romo were fucking good. Tony Romo just couldn't get the job done. The coaches couldn't call the right plays for him. You know what I mean? It's not Jerry Jones' fault that they didn't win those years when they had Tony Romo. Same thing with Dak. Like, I don't know. Like Mike McCarthy's a good coach, but he's kind of a choke artist. He's only won 1 Super Bowl. Micah. No red here, bro. Tory Trade's husband. I don't know. You're not the first person to say that. You're not the first person to mention that. Tony fucking had a great arm, man. Great arm. What the fuck is going on here? I fucking rejected off the 5-minute 21. Is that real life? I had six whole points. And me, yeah, I would just wait, man. I would just wait. One-stop trader, what up? Yeah, Maximus, I don't know, man. They did the Giants a huge favor, but are the Giants really going to be any good? I don't know. They just made it easier. Like, the other thing is, like, we all know Jaden Daniels was really good, but is he going to be good again? Is he going to be good this year? And, you know, the Eagles are the team. The Eagles are the team to beat. What up, Zayback? You fucking piece of shit. What's Gold doing? Wow, Gold came all the way back up. 27. Well, not really. It's only 30. It was only like 35 ticks. 36 ticks. Don't let it fool you because I'm zoomed in. I can't believe this fucking. Well, you know what? I do believe it. It rejected off the 5-minute 21. Shocker. Shocker. What up, Andy? Yup. Options exchange on the bigger accounts. This is a screenshot I took from their Discord. $37. Well, $37 activation fee for the big accounts. They even said they told everybody to use the best code ZERODAYJAY. The lifetime PA fee for the 25, 50, 100, and 150s is $85. It goes away. It goes away when the sale goes away. So the sale is ending tomorrow at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. Hanafi, what up? Apex considers Monday and Tuesday the same, like one day combined. Apex combines them. Some prop firms combine them. Some prop firms keep them separate. Oh, nice. Look at that little fucking pop. Can we just go up a little bit more, please? Granny, please. Russell Wilson, he won't be the quarterback for long unless he's playing out of his fucking mind, which I just don't see happening. He's you know, they're going to fucking, depending on how shit goes, they're going to roll out Jackson Dart. Hit that shit, motherfucker! Oh my God, I'm $13 short. You fuck. You fuck. Why, Granny? Why? $13 short. I don't know about take profit trader on this time of day. I mean, what they count today as. Everybody's having trouble trading with them right now anyway. The data's delayed. I wouldn't fuck with them. Come on, Granny, don't do this. Let me see something. Granny, no. Take profit trader counts today as the day. Thank you, Josh. What up, kid? PK. Yeah, they're all different. What the fuck? Some fucking loser faded me. Said they were fading me. It's probably the same loser. How'd it go? How'd that play out for you? How'd that play out for you? You said you were fading me, right? Fuck, I gotta fucking redraw this. Fucking jerk off. Fading. So, fading you, fading you, fading you. You don't know how that shit works. You're supposed to fade me when I enter. Does this go back up? I don't know. Is it going down? I gotta see what the fuck. Rejected off the 707. Can we pop? Just give me fucking, I need $13 to make them holla. I should have went short, but I thought it was just going to keep going up. There we go. I need $13 to make them holla. Push me over, you fuck. Hey, we passed one. 1 for 1 on the stream. One for 1 on the stream. Where is it? Oh, well, here it is. I'm over. We bounced off. Well, we went a little bit lower than the 786, but I'll take it. Next. Is there enough? I mean, we just had this happen. You think there's enough juice for another thing to happen? By the way, if you're just tuning in, trade day ended their 30% off sale, but they're 30% off a no activation fee now. What's up, Gino? They only, the sale isn't that much. The sale is pretty much the same. Instead of it being 40%, it's 30% off with no activation fee. So you could still have a funded account with trade day where you could get paid as soon as day one or daily for as little as 69 bucks. It's my favorite number. Anthony Jr., what up? So, oh, and Bullinox is 91% off. Bullinox is 91%. What up, Moravsky? 91% off Bullinox, option 1. I think it includes the 25K accounts. If you want to support the channel, use the best code ZERODAYJAY. What the fuck? My computer's acting like fucking shit, yo. Damn, this shit wants to go higher. We're about to close in like 23 minutes. Thank you, Marazzi. Yeah, tomorrow. The shit expires tomorrow, man. Yeah, take profit traders, still no activation fee, Jesse. Jesse, I got to ask you a serious question. If you're still here, Jesse, I need to know. Let me know if you're still here because it's important. Yeah, Moravsky, but you got to make sure if you, let's say you pass it today or tomorrow or whatever, tomorrow, the activation fee deal goes away with the 90% off. So the deal expires at the end of the day. Make sure if you pass, make sure you activate it. You kind of getting forced into a 1 day to pass situation, unless they extend it, but we don't know if they're going to extend it. They are habitual sale extenders. Yes, options exchange. Trade day is just like take profit trader. No consistency on funded accounts. I just took a day one payout the other day, Friday. Where is it? You see that? This was on 3 accounts. I pushed over the buffer on Friday. Thursday, sorry. I got paid on Friday. I got my money Friday morning. The money was already in the bank account Friday. Tory Trades, husband. I know, that's crazy. I don't know why that's happening. I'm sure they'll get it squared away. That's basically their way of saying, don't trade today. Don't even waste your time trading this shit today. Damn, look at this bounce. Where's that fucking loser that was fading me? I'm fading you. I'm fading you. I'm fading you. Yeah, how'd that work out for you, you fucking jerk off? Marcin, what up? They'll never come clean, though. Never. They'll probably be like, I got out at the bottom. I got out at the bottom. I got my 3 points. I got just enough. I got just enough to pass. Shut the fuck up. Yeah, Jasmine. Jasmine, correct. If you decide to hold, if you pass tomorrow or you don't pass tomorrow, you pass on Thursday and the sale's over, it will go back to the regular pricing, which means the monthly will be cheaper. Oh, it's getting freaky now. How many points was this? Not a lot. Yeah, Marcin. I mean, the market's closing. What up, Bald Eagle? The market's closing. There's nothing. There's no volume. It's Labor Day. The fucking government brainwashed everybody into not working today. You know, a lot of people. Bob, for now, what's up, man? You lost on purpose. Me too. I lost my funded accounts on purpose. All 6 of them. All at the same time. It was awesome. Best day ever. But I replaced them. I do have this one that's up 1175. Let's see if I can get this one up again the next day. This, all I had to do was just hold my shorts. Hold shorts long enough, I would have been good. Not get fucked on the long I was in that ended up going up 100 points. But it had to dip first. Oh my God, full tilt, no pressure. No pressure. I don't even know what I want to do here. No pressure. I mean, does it want to get this fucking top orb or what? The top orb is here at 515. Does it want the top orb? We've literally been in a range all day. No pressure. Oh, I felt great. Mo Trades, what up? Yeah, tomorrow night. You have it. So, like, if you pass accounts tomorrow, if you pass accounts today and tomorrow, all you got to do is activate them before midnight. Activate them before 11:59 p.m. Eastern tomorrow, and you're good. You'll get that price. You'll get that discount. Does who have trailing? Hanafi, you're asking about trade day? Hanafi, if you're asking about trade day, they have you have options. You have your choice of intraday trailing, end of day trailing, or static. So you could buy an eval with intraday trailing for $69 right now with trade day. The whatever you get on the eval side is how your account will be on the funded side. So if you get an end of day trailing account on the eval, you pass it, your funded account will be end of day. That's how trade day works. They give you the option. With the best coupon code ZERODAYJAY. That's the only way it works. The only way you could have those choices is if you use my code, not anyone else's, okay, guys? It's that exclusive. It's the best code. Marcel. No, it's not, bro. And I had to get clarification. It's never been that way. It's not. What up, JW? I went long. I took one trade. It was moving so slow to the downside, and I didn't act. And then I went long, and I pushed this one over. This one. I had a little bit of a head start because I was trading this one last night, and I got like $200 because I didn't get filled all the way, and I got fucking annoyed and said, I'm going to sleep. It was like the last trade I took. So then I got the rest of it. I still needed $2,800. I got it. Yeah, it's not, Marcel. Sorry for any confusion. If I caused any of that confusion, here, look. I'll show you. Let me I gotta hide my screen real quick. I'll show you. I'm gonna take a screenshot of the text I got. Because they're the ones that started the confusion. My rep. But they clarified. It's never been that way. So I don't know why they would do it now all of a sudden. Oh, fuck, really? My bad, guys. What happened? I don't know why that happens. Anyway, sorry, guys. So like I was saying, Marcel, my bad. I don't think you heard anything I said. Is this really going to be an algo candle, Mike? Good. Sorry, guys. How long was it like that for? Shit. So Marcel, yeah, Trade Day X, no. I trade on Tradeovate. Here's my Trade Day accounts. I trade on Tradeovate. So Marcel, like I was saying, don't put any extra pressure on yourself to pass the accounts if, you know what I mean? Just to save a few bucks. I get it though. But a lot of us trade that way. A lot of us like to play a game called Pass or Smash. We try to get the shit out of the way as quickly as possible. But they gave us what? 5 days? When did they roll this shit out? Hold on. August 28th. So that was Thursday. Thursday, Friday. They gave you 4 days to pass evals. There's your algo candle. There's the algo candle, guys. So far, it's been, it's what, 2 points? Just ain't right. Yeah, I mean, you don't have to, though. You don't have to pass them by tomorrow. If you want to take advantage of the deal, if you want to take full advantage of the other part of the 90% off promotion, you'll want to pass them by the end of the day tomorrow. Otherwise, it just goes back to the cheaper option being the monthly option. They have it, options exchanged. 7-day minimum trading days and 30% consistency on trade day evals. What a fucking candle. What an algo. I think it's going to keep going up, but I just don't know. I don't know. I got one over. Yep. Konija. Nah. No algo today. There might be some fuckery going into the last 8 or 9 minutes. There'll be some fuckery. I just don't know. I don't trust that shit. Now we got an equal high from this last pop. So is it going to blow through it or is it going to reject on it, you know? Cyberpie. Yo, Cyberpie, put on your, fasten your seatbelts, guys. Sam's son, what up? What do you mean? They can do whatever they want, bro. I don't know why everybody gets so mad. Every promo they've ever done, the activation fee, whatever the discounted activation fee was, it went away when the promo ended. For the 2 years I'm trading with them almost. I started trading with them in October. I started trading with prop firms in October of 2023. Yeah, October 2023. Started being exposed to Apex sales in like when they started doing, back then Apex was still 7 days to pass. 7 days to pass and like 71% off. Then I started getting exposed to all their crazy sales. Every one of the sales they did with the activation fee being discounted ended. The activation fee part of that discount ended when the sale ended. This isn't any different. Don't buy accounts with them, guys. Like, if you're so fucking mad about it and it's like, you don't have to trade with them. That's the best part, guys. There's 400 other prop firms. Go get a Talladega Nights plan at fucking Fast Track. You started when Top Step still had 2 steps? Oh, man. Was it, which one was the top step? Their promo, someone fucking spread misinformation. It's always been like that as long as I've been trading with them. You profit. Yo, go get some Thrive accounts. There's so many options. The regular, well, I'm pretty sure FC Mike, it goes back to 140. I think all of any account size is 140. Otherwise, Rhythmic and Wealth Charts is $85 a month. and Trade Evade is $105 a month. I just go with the less. I go with the lower amount. I go with the lower price, whatever's lower, because I just know myself. You guys ready for the next non-algo candle? It's coming. Yegor, what up? Yup, no activation fee. 40% off, no activation fee with Take Profit Trader when you use the best code ZERODAYJAY. Let me drop my link in the chat. That's what I'm saying. Like, if you're not happy with how Apex worded their promotion or how they position their promotion, go grab a Take Profit Trader account. Go grab a Trade Day account. I disappeared again. What the fuck, man? Why does that keep happening? I think I'm having some internet issues. I think that's what's going on. Sorry, guys. But what I'm saying is, like, I don't know if you heard anything I fucking said. If you're not happy with how Apex positioned their sale, there's other prop firms you could trade with. Take Profit Trader, 40% off, no activation fee. You literally could be all in with a funded Take Profit Trader account for as little as $90, where you could get paid on day one and every single day. Trade Day, 30% off, no activation fee. You could be all in with a funded account for as little as $69, where you could get paid on day one and every single day. Am I still fucking here? All right, I'm still here. Bullinox, 91% off. Their activation fee is $148 all the fucking time on a 50K. The other ones on the bigger accounts is even more. My Funded Futures, I don't even know what they're doing. They're probably back to 5% off. Are they running a promotion right now? Not yet. Let's see. My Funded Futures, let's see. Active promotions. No active promotions. Nothing. So that means that when you put in the best code ZERODAYJAY, you get a whopping 5% off, guys. So many options. You got Top One. You got fucking Slap Chop, Prop Shop. You got fucking Lucid. You got Trade Iffy. You got Funding Ticks, Funded Next. There's so many prop firms. Go trade with any of them. Don't trade with Apex if you don't want to. I like trading with Apex because I know that I have the potential to take every one of these fucking accounts to a payout at the same time at as much as $2,000 at the same fucking time. And they pay. They pay their traders, not just their streamers. And I'm taking advantage. I play the game. I like to play a game called Pass or Smash. I could fucking pass accounts in one day. I could pass accounts in one trade. So I'm playing the fucking game. I'm taking full advantage. If you're not sure about, if you want to play, look, they're only like these accounts are only $18, right? And I think the 250s and the 300s are like 50 and 60. If you want to take a shot, take a shot. If not, don't fucking get the accounts if you don't want to pay, you don't want to pay the higher activation fee. It's that easy, guys. No one's putting a gun to your head. Now I got to double check if I'm still here fucking talking. There's so many options out there. Rubicon, what up? Option 2? Do you really want option 2? I don't even think the deal's that good, bro. Hold on, I'll get you one. And I appreciate it. Option 2 is end of day drawdown. Some people are, they like that better. All right, let's see. It's only 45%, man. If you really want to get option 2, it's 45%. Bobby D. Simple and easy cooking channel. Do I teach? No. But if you hang out in the oh hey. Thank you. My wife made me coffee. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I haven't even eaten yet. Yeah, Rubicon. Rubicon, 91% off, option 1. Do I teach? Not really. I mean, I'll explain stuff how I see it, but I don't have a course or anything. I'm not a guru. I'm just a dude in the trades. I lead by example. I'm just a guy that people come to watch. People come to watch when they want to decompress from whatever type of trading day they had. And then and then there are some people that will actually follow me in trades, which I never recommend. But there's also dummies who will fade me and rub it in my face. I say, don't fade me either. JW. Professor Low-Key, what up? Peter. Yeah, they're gone, bro. I fucked them up. It was all that. Last night was fucked up. M. Schultz, yeah. All you got to do is say the right thing at the right time. A couple of times. And then you could, that's how I got my wife. I just said a couple of the right things at the right time. Caught her off guard, Trader of Dub, what up? The market's closed. That's it. That's why I didn't want to trade this. Like, look, 6. It literally went down 8 points and then back. Like, it would have been impossible to pass something here unless I was just fucking in and out of scalps and shit. Although I love doing in and out type stuff, just not trying to pass an account. How the take profit trader funding accounts work? I'd be glad to. Simple and easy cooking channel. Let me find it. Hold on, I gotta hide my screen real quick to get the right fucking shit open. I might have some text edits that say, I will not kill. I will not kill. I will not kill. So here's a couple of things. Well, that's it. The market's closed. I'll hang out for a little bit because it's fucking early. You guys want to hang out? If you want to learn some ins and outs of trading and just by hanging around people, simple and easy cooking channel, I highly recommend you join the Discord. We have a Discord. It's free for now. It's got over 1,400 members in it. It's the best community on these prop firm streets. Hands down. Here's the link to join. But in terms of take profit trader, nice. Yeah, see? The promo was made, Professor Low-Key Crypto passed a 250K and a 150K. They took advantage of the promotion. That's all. They passed it in one day, or maybe it took them 2 or 3 days. Who cares? What up, Alfred? Oh, yeah, bro. Oh, yeah. I feel for them, especially if it's their take profit trader or fucking trade day accounts. Liquid Vision, what up? You could withdraw into the buffer at a 50%. Yeah, they'll take 50%. You can. I thought about doing it on the last 2 day 1 payouts I got, but I didn't. And then I blew the account after I got paid. Go figure. I should have. They don't like you doing that all the time, though. They don't like it. All right, so check this out. Let me move this here. Let me get the chart. Let me get the chart here. So here's Take Profit Trader. I don't know what rules you want to know, but I know that when you put in the best code ZERODAYJAY, you could get 40% off with no activation fee. You could have a funded account where you could get paid on day 1. You have the potential to get paid on day 1 and get paid every single day for as little as $90, all in. All you got to do is clear the buffer. So here's some rules. You got to clear the buffer. Anything over these buffers on these account sizes you will be eligible for a payout. Anything above that, you could have as many as 5 funded accounts. They call it pro. There's no consistency rule on fund. There's a 50% consistency rule on evals. 50% consistency on evals. 5-day minimum trading. No consistency rule on funding. You could have more than all of these other rules that all these other prop firms have on funded accounts. Don't apply to take profit trader. Just don't trade red folder events like CPI, non-farm payroll, FOMC. If you trade crude oil, don't trade crude oil inventories during it. And they don't want you to have open. They don't want you to have an open position or orders on the screen a minute before, during, or after these events. Don't trade bond-related shit during bond auctions. You can scalp, you can micro scalp, you could DCA, you could trade max contracts. There's no scaling rule. There's no risk to reward ratio rule. There's no improper risk management rule. You can gamble the opening range breakout. You could trade earnings. Just don't trade those red folder events I was telling you about. Yeah, that sucks that they're not available in the Philippines. Bacon, what up? No problem. Simple and easy cooking channel. I hope that answered your questions. But yeah, in terms of like me teaching, time to hide the red accounts. I know I should have hid them for the new people coming in. Let me hide all the red. Now I'm the best again. See that? I'm green everywhere. Hey, I'm green everywhere. I'm the best. So if you hang out with a bunch of degenerate traders or just a bunch of awesome people, because that's what our Discord is, a bunch of awesome people, a lot of us are degenerates. But there's some really good fucking traders in there. And a lot of us offer different perspectives. So just by hanging out in there, you will learn. Because there's some really, really, really good fucking traders. Oh, Corey, no problem, man. I don't recommend following me, but I'm glad it worked out for you, bro. Thank you. I appreciate it. But if you hang out with other traders, you're going to get better just by being around them, right? Because all they're doing, that's not all we talk about in here, but yeah, because we like to have fun. But there's a lot of fucking talk about trading in here. A lot of people are posting charts, what they're seeing, they'll post a trade, how it worked out and why they took the trade. There's a lot of fucking smart people in here that know what they're doing. Again, am I fucking blacked out again? No, okay. I saw the screen all black over here. I'm like, what the fuck? But just by hanging out in here, I believe, I can't guarantee it, right? No guarantees. Results not typical, blah, blah, blah. I just believe that you will become a better trader hanging out with everybody in this Discord. Just hanging out in here, just by being in here. And you'll learn a lot about how all the prop firms work because we all talk about all the different prop firms that we trade. Smart move. Smart move, Kay. You missed a bunch of fuckery. That's what you missed. The biggest, the largest, the best fucking community. Yeah, simple. Yeah, exactly. Simple and easy cooking channel. You'll learn by watching. There's definitely like there's definitely training videos out there on how to trade. You want to learn about you want to learn patterns and, you want to learn about patterns and indicators and moving averages and stuff like that. But surrounding yourself with other people that are doing it, that know what they're doing, you'll learn. This shit pops off all day. All day. All day. So many people getting payouts in here too. Where's News? Is News, you still on here? Yeah, no problem. Simple and easy. No problem. Yeah. Someone tried to get under my skin. The same fucking person. They said they faded me. You know what's funny? I went in long in this account. Fucking loser. I went in long here. I only got filled with 2 of my 10, or 3 of the 10 that I want to get filled on. And then what does it do? It comes back down. So as it's coming back down, that fucking loser's like, I faded you. I'm fading you right now. Fading you right now. And then I got filled here. It drops a few more points, and then it pops. It pumps, right? I passed the account. Where are they? Nowhere to be found. Nowhere to be found, of course. Because they're fucking losers. How do I go live? I think you need a certain amount of watch hours before you could go live. Like 3,000 watch hours. I think. No, that's to get monetized. I don't even remember. I use Streamlabs. There's third-party streaming software out there that you could share your screen. Oh, are you asking how often do I go live? Is that what you're asking? Oh, yeah, that's what I just realized that. I stream every single day for Power Hour, which is 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. I'm on earlier today because the market closed. The market's closed now because it's Labor Day. It's Labor Day in the States, so it's a half a day for futures. So futures, I mean, I stream at other random times, but I'm always on for Power Hour. Every single day, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern, every day that the market's open at that time. And then I'll hop on at other random times. I'll hop on like during Asia. Sometimes I'll hop on earlier during New York around the time I hopped on with this, even if it's regular. I streamed for like 6 hours last week. That was fun. See the Discord just popping off? Popping off. The Discord is so good. It's so good. Which rule? Which prop firm, Mr. Park the Bus? You talking about Apex? Bacon. What up? You talking about the Apex? So the 30% you're talking about, so there's 2 30% rules. There's a 30% consistency rule on funded accounts, which just means, like, you see this account right here? You see this, guys? Where is it? 404. So this account's up $1,175. So for me to, let's say I keep growing this account. I can't grow this account on a 50K. I don't even know what the payout is on a 100K. I've never gotten a 100K ever. But on a 50K, the bare minimum to get a payout is 2,600. That's the buffer. 2,600 gets you $500. The problem is there's a 30% consistency rule. So for me to get you can't have on the consistency rule, all it means is your biggest day can't be more than 30% of your total profit. So because I did 1,175, I have to grow the account to $3,917. Really, 1,176. I have to grow the account to $3,920 before I could even think about it asking for a payout once I get on my days in. The other 30% rule is the one you're probably more concerned about. Is they have this shit they call improper risk management. So if you go down more than 30% of your drawdown, so let's look at Apex. Go to their website on a 100K account. Blah, 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 blah. 100K. You're trailing, you have $3,000 of draw. This is only on funded accounts. You have $3,000. The 30% improper risk management rule states you cannot go down more than 30% of your drawdown while you're in a single trade, meaning unrealized. So if you go down more than $900, so 30% of 3,000 if you're below the buffer, on a funded account, if you go down more than $900, you violate that rule. And the only way to clear yourself from that rule is to request your payout and get denied and then trade again. Anything over that, if you're over the buffer and you got like $4,000 of drawdown, just don't lose more than 30% in a single trade, even if it's unrealized. That's how that rule works. It's pretty basic. You just got to put your stop in a place that won't happen. And then, you know what? If you get stopped out and you still believe in the move that you saw, just get back in. JW. They're gone, bro. Yeah, simple and easy cooking channel. Yeah, no problem. Every day for Power Hour, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. JK, what up? Yeah, you're good then. You're good. Yeah, there's nothing. The only thing you might want to look into, yeah, JW. If you hold a position and the market closes with Take Profit Trader and Trade Day, and I think other firms do it too, you lose the account. We've talked about that so many times. Yeah, the accounts are gone, bro. I'm sorry. I usually give like the 2-minute warning. The chat always gives the 2-minute warning too. Yeah. RC. They liquidate you, all right. Mark, Take Profit Trader? No, you lose the account. That's a breach. Marcos. And what's up, man? So I think I just did. I think I just showed the example, but let's say, so I got a new funded account. Let's say I got a new funded account, right? Let's say I get in a trade. I like to trade with minis. I get in with 3. I got to set my stop with 3 minis. 3 minis is $60 a point. With $2,500 of drawdown, and it's based on the original amount of drawdown. So if you're down to your last $500 and you lose $150, you're not violating, or $200, you're not violating the rule. It's based on the original drawdown. There was a lot of confusion about that when they first rolled these rules out, myself included. But 2,500, don't lose more than $750. And as long as you don't do that in a single trade, and it's also unrealized. You don't want to go down more than $750. Even if you win let's say you go down $1,500, right, in that trade, and then it actually comes back for you and you end up winning the trade and coming out with plus $300 or whatever. You still violated the rule because it's unrealized. So that's how that works. So you want to set your stop. I don't know what your risk to reward is when you trade. You want to set your stop to not lose $750 on a 50K account, for example, with $2,500 of drawdown. I would do it a little bit before because of slippage and shit. Yeah. Yeah. You don't get disqualified. Yeah, Michael M. They just will deny your payout. You don't lose the account. You could keep trading the account. Just if it happens, keep growing the account. When you're eligible for a payout, request it. They'll probably deny it. And then you just trade clean for the next 8 days, but I like to do 5 and then flip the next 3 days. That's how I like to do it. And then you re-request. I've done it before. I've gotten denied and then requested again and got approved. So it's not that big of a deal. You just got to get used to trading that way. It could actually help you become a better trader, believe it or not. Yeah, exactly. Michael M. Exactly, bro. Exactly. Yeah, no problem, Mr. Park the Bus. No problem, RC. Yeah, you could exit. Yeah, I could exit whenever I want. If I'll put my stop in place most of the time. But you like this is trade evade. You just hit the exit button, and it'll close out your trades. It'll close out the trade that you're in on this particular account. Like I'm in this account. If I'm copy trading, which I don't think you should do because you're new to this. But if I was copy trading and I was in, all I have to do is just exit the same way. Mr. NYC, what up? MJ NYC, what's good? Jasmine. The bracket order rule, I don't think they like you doing brackets. You could do it on evals. I still don't think they like that. Where did it say that on the Discord? Really? That's cool. I don't bracket trade, but this shit is still like, look, this fucking, I'm telling you, we have the best fucking community. I'm the chief gift officer, in case you were wondering. Yeah, it's just something you got to get used to because all of these prop firms will have different rules. You might want to pick a prop firm that has the least amount of rules. Take Profit Trader has a very small amount of rules. The one you want to be careful of is not to keep your trades open until the close. When they announce their Apex 3.0 rules, I don't know. It's still on their site though, right? I would hit up support and ask them. You could hit up support. I remember when they rolled that shit out and they said no bracket trading. Traders are not allowed to place bracket orders in both directions without a clear directional bias. Because what people were doing was they would trade the open, like the New York Open, the opening range breakout, and they would just bracket trade it. Bracket. So I would just double check with support. I would reach out to support and say, hey, I would even like post wherever you saw that in their Discord, take a screenshot of that and be like, hey, I saw this in your Discord. Does that mean I can bracket trade now with a funded account? That's how I would do it. Traders cannot execute bracket orders in both directions without a directional bias. I mean, it says it right on their site, but I don't know. I don't bracket trade, so it doesn't apply to me personally, but I get it. If you do it, you probably would want to know if you can. I said do. All right, I'm still on here. Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader rules are simple. There's a 50% consistency rule on evals. That's all you got to worry about with evals. 5 days minimum. So what a consistency rules means, the consistency rule, a lot of prop firms have it. It just means your biggest day can't be more than whatever percentage consistency rule they have. So Take Profit Traders is 50%. You can't have, if your profit target is 3,000, well, whatever. Let's say you have $4,000 in profit. Your biggest day can't be more than 2,000 on an eval. There's no consistency rule on funded. That's just on evals, and it's 5 days minimum. The other rule that you really want to be careful of is, what up, LeBrons? Like our friend JW just fucking experienced. He kept his trades open. He didn't realize it because the market was closing early. And you don't want to keep your trades open. You don't want to have any open orders or trades open when the market closes with Take Profit Trader. You will lose your account. Losing my fucking voice. And then on the funded side, just don't trade red folder events. Major news, like financial news things. What up, Ree? I had 6 to start the day, and I blew 6 of them. Well, I have 7 now. Well, I had 7. This one's okay. And I passed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll have 8 on Wednesday. because Monday and Tuesday is the same day. I'm gonna keep trying. I'm gonna try to get as many as I can before this fucking sale ends. 50K accounts. The profit target is 3,000. You need to get to 3,000, and then to get yourself to a payout on the funded side, you have to get to 2,000. There's no consistency rule on funded accounts. You can do it in one day. For you, I wouldn't recommend that, but you can. That's the only rule you got to really worry about. And don't trade FOMC, non-farm payroll, which is on Friday, Thursday and Friday. Just don't trade when that shit happens, when the news comes out. Anything over the $2,000 buffer you can request as a payout. I'm gonna post a link in the chat for you, which has their rules. Oh my God, there we go. Test rules. Also, it goes without saying, but this right here, you see this? You're gonna have what's called drawdown. Don't run out of drawdown. Do not let this go to zero. If you do, you blow the account. Here's the link to all the rules. Here's a link to all the rules. Each one of those you could click on all of them. The 5 core rules all have links to them you could click on. And then that's on the eval side. And then the pro, here's all the info you need on pro accounts, which are funded. Vince. Be good, Alfred. Be good, man. Thanks for hanging out. If you're going to buy an account, use the best code ZERODAYJAY. Here's my link. Here's my link. What up, Clay? Yo, Clay, didn't you win an account? You got to claim that account, bro. Yeah, I don't have that much pull. Oh, you did? Oh, you hit me up on Instagram? Okay, bro. All right, I didn't know that. All right, cool, man. I got you. Fuck is going on my internet, bro? Yeah, I'll reach out to you today when I get off of this shit. Ree, what up? Did the activation cost a lot for you, or your payouts even out lately? August was pretty bad. I was profitable in August. July I was really profitable. June, barely, I would say. May, very. I did what I do. So I did 18,700 in May. That was my best month ever. In June, I did 7,500. In July, I think I did 14,200. I was literally one fucking day. If Apex approved me one day sooner, I would have done over 20,000 in July. And then I did 14,100 last month, a little bit more. I'm profitable. In this 4-month span, I'm fucking profitable. I'm pretty fucking profitable. I did $54,500 in payouts in the last 4 months. Pretty fucking cool. Maximus. Who was the Max? I think you're fucking with me asking that question. I don't know. It might have been Top Step. They might have been the original. I don't know though. Anthony Jr. Thank you. Yeah, I mean it's great, right? But August was so fucking bad. I could have, it could have been, I know what you guys mean though, because I know some of you guys have like maybe either never gotten a payout or you just get a payout here or there. My biggest issue that I'm working through is holding on to accounts longer than one fucking payout, especially with Apex. So it's just something that's just what I'm working through. If I could just get multiple payouts from the same accounts, even when I got my Bullnox payouts, same shit. Got to hold on to these accounts for more than one payout. I'm capable of doing it. Just whatever shit happens. Maximus. What pit did Michael Paytack work in before he started Top Step? Trivia. Hey, had Fortune Chum. Fortune Chum. What happened to that fade? You said you were fading me. And then you got fucking wrecked. You got wrecked. The cockpit. Yeah, PPDS, post-payout degenerate syndrome. I had a flare-up. I had a flare-up. I was out of cream. I was out of my PPDS cream, and I had a flare-up. Yeah, you could scalp. You could scalp. Adrian Lorenzo rolling in his benzo. Coach Calvin. Yeah, tomorrow you have until 11:59 p.m. 11:59 p.m. Eastern, bro. Kevin G, the Wiener Pit. They oh, simple and easy. Thank you. JK. Yeah. They were in the they were in the ball pit. They had balls all over their face in the ball pit. You said you fade. I saw it. You said you were fading me. Do I have to post a screenshot? Do I have to post a fucking screenshot? Anyway, not that I give a fuck. What else is going on? Oladipo. Yo, Victor Oladipo's here. You were one of my favorite basketball players to watch. I always liked you, my man. Adrian Lorenzo, that's right, man. Every day in every way. Yeah? The basketball player, you're saying? Why is the market? Yo, it's closed, research files. Market closed 33 minutes ago. It's Labor Day in the States. It's a big holiday, big bank holiday. So the market will be open again at 6 p.m. Eastern. It'll be open in 7.5 hours. Go find something to do until it reopens. Oh, man. All right. I think I'm going to bounce, guys. Anybody else have any questions? Ask me about my wiener. What movie is that from? What's going on out here? All right. Anyway, I'm going to bounce, guys. Kevin G. My crotch. No, everything's done. Everything's done. Marcus goes, King. What up? And later. Vinny Lee. The best code is ZERODAYJAY. 90% off Apex until the end of tomorrow night. $37 activation fee on the 250s and 300s. All the other sizes are $85 lifetime activation fee. That shit goes away when the sale ends. 40% off Take Profit Trade, no activation fee. 30% off Trade Day, no activation fee. 91% off Bullinox. 5% off of My Funded Futures, guys. If you want to support the channel, use the best code ZERODAYJAY. My links are in the description below. Yeah, my crotch. It'll be open again soon. I'll talk to you guys in a little while. I'll be on for Power Hour tomorrow, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. Hope to see you then. Thanks for hanging out. Smash the like button on your way out for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe to the channel. I'll talk to you guys soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace!